snip in your hands. Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now this morning, Phil and myself are fishing at FISHnTHINGS beach, near far from the broch. The daylight's just coming in, so we've just shot one rod each because we've never fished here before and we're not sure if the ground's going to be like, how shallow it is and stuff like that. I thought I heard the bells just fell. So I've shot the rig that I was using last week on Mill Shore. My best fishing rig that day. It's got 8 hooks on it, short snoods. Keep thinking the bells is ringing. I've got size 4 hooks on, size 4. We're baited up with shotted mackerel, my favourite bait. Look at this bonny sky coming in. The sky over back here. Absolutely beautiful. The moon's still up for us way. I'll turn you around and let you see. Look at that. Ain't that bonny? Full moon. Oh, I'm getting a rattle. I think I'm getting a rattle already. Oh, I'm just a bit sure that bail's wrong out I know. No. Yeah, they did ring, but it's the waves. There's a fair bit of motion. It's not big waves like, but it's enough to do that. Let's get us a bit down. Go on, fishies. I think it's the waves. There's an old shipwreck here, look. Check this out. Must be really thick steel in its day. Oh, I'm sinking down here. Back of it. It looks to be a fair size of ship. Been there for a long time by the looks of it. Line seems to tee off. Oh wow, what a sight fell. If I grip our lead with the 6 prongs on it, I think it's weed. That's what it is, it's weed. Man. Yeah, hauling in a clump of weed here, I think. That's not a good sign. Loads of weed. Yeah. There's a clump of rope and all. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that dollar rope and all it. Joys of fishing. I want short of shooting. Get that back out again. Oh man, that's Phil. Halt in a clump of weed, you know. Oh man. I hope this is not going to be the order of the day. Bait's not touched. So I'm just going to cast it back again. My line seems to be behaving itself, I know, and biting in a sport that I've cast it out. I'm hoping that was just a passing heap of weed. I mean, I didn't see any weed from them widening out. Just to try a couple of times, and we'll keep getting weed like that, we'll just hit the shaft. I'm not sure if there's a bit over that side, around the back of that hard ground sticking out, or if it's just a hard ground. We had a look in Google Maps, like. We got out in a boat last weekend, again with some lovely huddocks, as you can see up here. I managed to get fish on myself and all. So it was fair trick at myself. I got some huddocks for my supper and some bonny rawns and all. Look, oh, I love my rawns. It's worth coming here a day just for that. It's a beauty with fishing. You didn't need to get fish. It's an excuse to come out and stand in some beautiful places like this, Bonny Beach and see us all the time. I recommend it to anybody. It's just for the doctor ordered. Looks to be all on weed again. Well, Phil, what's happening?
Where have you brought me? You brought me to a weed fest.
Yeah. You've been getting more than me, like bigger bets.
I've just lost my rig.
Oh, no.
Rig and the weight and everything.
Oh, man.
I'm just stuck right in it. So, got to go back to the car, go and get another rig, another weight. Might try and cast a bit more this way. Maybe it's getting stuck in amongst the... There might be some rocks here by the side.
I was still getting weed, like, but this time it seems to be sitting. The last time I cast out in the same bed, the weed took a hood out and just dragged it right over to you.
You just see it in the moving here.
Flood tidal with push nothing doing. That's why, you see.
Right, I'll go and do that.
I'm feared to come off here, you see, because if it grabs weed, it'll just haul hang out.
Yeah, it just took my line, rod rest over. I'll move my stuff back.
Ain't you come back? I'll here walk you over, as long as you just keep an eye on my road in case it...
Okay, right.
There's a wee car park, just up the back here. So we're not far for the cars. Now, I don't reckon nothing about this shipwreck. As I was saying, it looks like it's been here for donkey's years. But I'm going to do, I'm not going to research it. I'm going to leave it up to you to let me ken if it was the name of that ship and if it happened to it. Fine bit of history for you to find out and let me ken. I've been doing picking off bits of seaweed off the line. It's been washed up the line. I think the flatties are going to struggle. It's pretty shallow wheel out. Getting on this continuous rollers coming in. Right, Phil's got to keep an eye on my road. Gets a clump of weed, hauls it over and drags it into the sea. And I'm going to have a wee walkie over to this side, just to see if there's a bit of sand on the back of rocks, or if maybe that's the end of the beach. Yeah, looky anyway. Lot of weed on the beach. Great muckle clumps out like. See what I'm seeing over here. Worm casts, look. Yeah. Fair puckle worm casts here. This bit might be a bit clearer, because the weeds pushing that way with the flood tide. Oh no, this must have been a herber here or something. Check this out. The channel is still there, look. I didn't think there was a herber here. Look at the size of stones. There's another beach over that way, but I think I've walked far enough. I mean, you probably wouldn't even see Phil. He's just far away over there. But yeah, it was worth coming being here just to see us. That's something else for Abdi to look up on the internet. Herber at St. Combs, or it's maybe Charleston, because when I was looking at Google Map, there was mention of Charleston just at this side of St. Combs, so I'm not sure if it was a small village, you know. Right, I better want to get back. My road's probably been hauled into water with weed. Still a bit of frost up here on the dunes. See Phil's halt my line, but it looks it. I can't, that's a good sign. Must have been full of weed. You catching all my fish? Aye.
Snagged and pulled the rod over.
Aye, I thought that would happen.
So what's it like down there?
There's a herber over there.
Is it?
Aye, it looks a bit better. See, for all this weed is here.
Yeah.
Just to that side of it. Looks a bit better.
Do we go that side of it? Because you might get a bit of
shelter with the
shelter with those rocks.
Aye, because it's not pushing this way with the flood.
Yeah.
Aye, well, it is something. It's nice, this.
It's not really fishable at the minute, is it?
No.
No.
It's a shame, because this looks promising.
It does look promising. It's nice sand. I like sandy beaches.
Yep. Look at it. You've got a halo over the top of you. For your wings.
Flappy, flappy.
Right. I've made a shift a wee bit further to the west side of the beach. See how we get doing here. Phil's coming being and all. I'm just hoping we get some shelter to this hard bit of ground sticking out. Shelter for the weed. So last chance saloon, I would say. We're going to want to make a shaft. We wouldn't get nothing here, but we're plagued with weed and there's just a bit too much motion here for that shallow water. Well, maybe come back here another time because it looks promising if it was a bit calmer in the weed. Anyway, we'll make a shaft. We've made a shaft and we're now going to want to have a look at Philorth beach, which is part of the Broch beach. The water's Philorth. There's fresh water runs out here, so hopefully there's not much weed, hopefully there's not too much motion either. We're a wee bit further running Yuck now, a wee bit further to the west. So we'll see how we get doing. Hey!
I'm not looking forward to going back up.
No, that's not going to be good. Oh man, look, that was your life belt, man.
Yeah.
A lot of this dunes has been knocked away. Aye, this fella says it's not going to be good going back up.
No.
I think
Do we deserve a fish?
like I've got an idea.
What?
If you get up first,
Why?
then I'll tie the rope round about me, and if you haul me up.
I thought you got a cunning plan. Right, come on, let's get some
Right,
fish.
aye.
We've got to catch some fish.
Definitely. Come on, fishies. Please be a fish. Come on. Yes, weed. It's another job to get the gear to take a hood. Today, load of motion this bit. Well, I just took two push-in road holders with me today, and one of them was made with an all broken umbrella. I just cut off the umbrella bit because it was turned inside out, and of course it wasn't strong enough. I actually pushed it right into the sun, and it wasn't strong enough. It just snapped it. So your surfers going about here today, you know. You can be seeing them over here. Load of surfers here today. Water's just surging in once. I haven't seen no weed here, but there's not so much motion, it's just pulling a line. The last time I was on this beach, I had a lovely sea trout. Just as a bit of here actually. I was fair tricking with my sail. And we had 2 or 3 flukes now. Phil is already getting a fish today. So I might check out Phil's channel, Another Angle UK, and see what he was up to all day. Boy, Beals. I think I've lost it. Oh man, it was a good bite there, I knew. It was almost like a trout bite. Right. Nah. Disappointed, because what a good bite. It was like a trout. But sometimes the trout, they get on and just shock themselves off just as quick as they get on. There's something on? Or is that just a bait? Oh, we look! Hey! Ah, but that wasn't if it rattled the line. Yes!
Well done, mate.
Cheers, pal. Oh well, at least I got something. Oh, look at the size of that critter. Just a wee handful. Oh, come on. Oh. Right, kiss in, get him back. Come on in, Paul. Where you go? Yes! A bonny wee critter. Right, rebait and get it back out again. That was a good bite, like. It was like a trout bite. It was going rattle, rattle, rattle and bend the road over and then shook himself off.
Away in it.
I'm hungry now. What I see running about and climbing up and doing bits. Fucking hell. Well, my bales are gone. Bales are gone.
Alright.
Watch yourself, not water comes in. Pulling me to the side here. Got off my feet here. There's big surges coming in now and again, so feel like an ass like. So then I can't full long, we're going to get here now. And I can't get out of the roar. And we're going to climb up that again. And I'm not looking forward to that. Carrying heaps of gear and jackets and waders and everything. Oh well, the joys of fishing. Look what I found on the beach. A cuttlefish or backbone. You didn't see much ass things on the beaches now. But when I was a bairn, there was hundreds of ass things lying in every beach around the coast here. I reckon if it's happened to them, I reckon if it's pollution or fit. Back in the day, a lot of folk had budgies. Well, most folk had budgies actually. And we used to collect them for the budgies, and you put it in a budgie's cage. And then we'd pick at it. So it's another bit of useless information for you. Oh! That was a biggie. You take it up a bit, eh? Well, that was a bit of excitement there, I know. Waves come recht up to this bit, look. Flukkies, small flukkies.
Aye, aye.
Yeah.
Rapid day, I think top was 12 days. So.
Aye. Must be seaweed. Oh, joch. Seaweed. That's the same bit of seaweed that you eat. Aye, aye. Bloody hell. Sheesh kebab. No, Phil.
What
So
a day.
you managed to get up that hill,
I did.
that mountain.
Only just.
Mountain is
Only just, yeah. I'm glad there's a respirator at the top of that hill. I needed that, yeah.
I see the life belt was right up in the top last time.
Was that where you did hide the keyring last time?
I hid the keyring here last time just to fit it.
Yeah.
But life belt and everything's
Yeah,
collapsed.
it's all gone down and it's very, very steep, very, very soft, but good it's got that rope to get us up and down. So,
We're
yeah.
glad that rope, really glad that rope. Well, it's been a great session today again. We covered 2 beaches and we're absolutely knackered. Great time as usual. Phil got a 2 or 3 fish and he got 2 species. So mine and check out Phil's channel.
Yeah.
Another Angle UK.
Thank you. Yeah, Another Angle UK.
See how he got on.
Have you told them where you put your keyring? You're going to tell
Oh,
them
the
that?
keyring, aye. Keyring is at the end of this video.
There we
So
go.
mine and watch out for that. It'll just be coming up in a couple of minutes.
Right, so tight lines from me. I nearly said tail whack from me and tight lines from D. But tight lines from me, tail whack from D.
And take care of die and I'll catch you after for me.
Yeah, I'll tell you what I've got.
Good.
Back at the car, we got a banana muffin.
Oh, banana muffin.
Yeah.
Back the car, banana muffin. Here we go. And a cup of hot chocolate. find the keyring time. And I've already hidden it this morning. I didn't want to speak over loud because there's folk going out with their dogs in it. But in the back of my here, there's a life belt. Well, the keyring is in the middle of that life belt. If ever finds a keyring, mind me put a comment underneath this video, letting us know you got it, and it lets somebody else know need to come looking for it. Because somebody's already got it. Right, good luck with that, Ian.